Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a bio on your Telegram account. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the Telegram application. Once inside, you'll see the main screen with your chats menu. Step 2. Next, look at the top left of your screen where you'll find 3 horizontal lines stacked together. This is the menu icon. Tap on it. Step 3. Now locate the Settings option and tap on it. Step 4. Next, locate the 3 vertical dots on the top right side. Tap on them. Now, locate the Edit Info option. Tap on it. Step 6. For the last and most important step, select your bio option, then write the bio you like. Afterward, select the checkmark icon on the top right side to add the bio to your Telegram account instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.